Here is how to remove parental controls on your Android device. So swipe up on your screen and go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on the Google option. Switch the tab to All Services, and here you need to scroll all the way down and find the Parental Controls option. You'll find the option in the Children and Family section. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll get the option of three dots in the top right corner, and then select Stop Supervision. A message will appear explaining the consequences. If you're sure, tap on the box and it will unlock unless a parent needs to unlock it, which can be done. Then tap on Stop Supervision and you'll need to wait 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, the time will change to 24 hours. Tap on Parent Access in the bottom right corner and enter the code provided by a parent, which can be found in the Family Link app on their account. Then tap on the code and press Close. The parental controls have now been removed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.